My dear students, welcome my English class for the students of class 5. Dear students, how are you? Hope you are getting well. I am also fine by the grace of Almighty. Dear friends, at first I want to introduce myself. This is Newton Talukdar, head teacher of Purarpar Government Primary School, Shalla, Sunamganj. So, dear my students, today I am here to take an English class for the students of class 5. Okay, dear my students of class 5 students, be ready. Get ready with your textbook, pen and exercise or notebook. Okay, dear students, are you ready? In our previous class, we also discuss about times, how to tell times, and we also have known about what are AM times and what are PM times and what time is it now, etc. Okay, dear students. Now, it is a question to you. What does AM mean? What does AM mean, dear student? AM mean. Try to say what does AM mean. AM means good idea, good answer. Anti-meridian. AM means anti-meridian. Okay? Anti-meridian. Now, my dear learners, try to understand very clearly. Anti-meridian. Anti means before. Anti means before. And meridian means noon. Midday. Noonday also we can say. Noonday. Okay? Before noon. That means anti-meridian means before noon. Okay, are you clear? Okay, thank you. Dear students, now we will know about PM. What does PM mean? PM means post meridian. Post means after. Meridian means noon, midday or noonday. Okay, that means between midnight to midday. Between midnight to midday. After noon or afternoon. PM means afternoon. Okay. Now, dear students, try to say what are AM times. Yesterday, we also discussed about these topics. What are AM times? Okay, you have given the right answer. I am highly pleased. Okay. 12 o'clock midnight to 12 o'clock midday are AM times. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Now, another body who will also say what does PM mean? PM means 12 o'clock midday to 12 o'clock midnight. Okay, 12 o'clock midday to 12 o'clock midnight are PM times. Good idea. Are you clear about this? Okay, if you are clear, I am going ahead. Dear learners, please look at please open at page number 52. Take your book and open at page number 52. Yesterday, we learned the section F and G. Now, we will discuss the section H. H. Okay? Our today's topics about telling the time, and I also discuss section number H. Okay, section H I am going to discuss. Okay, at first, my dear students, look at the board and you also see that there is a picture. There are 3 clocks in your section H, and these picture also are also on the board. Here I have drawn the picture and it is on the board also. Please everybody try to get what is the picture about and what do you see in the picture. Okay, what do you see in the picture? Okay, fine, you already know it's a clock. It's a clock because tomorrow we also discussed about its more. Okay, dear students, now today we will discuss about a clock. We discuss about a clock and we will be able to tell the time. Okay, thank you everybody. There are 3 clocks. We also describe one by one. At first I am going to describe the clock. Dear students, look at the picture. There are 12 numbers from 1 to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So how many numbers? There are 12 numbers and each numbers remains 5 minutes. Okay, because it means 5 minutes. Okay, before that I can also tell that there are 2 hands. There are 2 hands in this clock and it is a long hand, it is a short hand. Okay, short hand is our hand and minute hand is comparatively long. Minute hand is comparatively long and there is a minute hand also, and everybody will know that some clocks remains 3 hands and another hands is second hand. Okay, my dear students, but in your textbook a clock has 2 hands, our hand and minute hand. Okay, are you clear about minute hand and our hand? Our hand is comparatively short from minute hand. Okay, are you clear? Now dear students, there are 12 numbers. What I was going to say before, there are 12 numbers and each number, 12 numbers and each gap, suppose from 12 to 1 there are 5 minutes, 1 to 2 there are 5 minutes. In this way from 12 to 12, that means 12 to 1, 1 to 2, in this way there are 12 gaps and every gaps remains 5 minutes, and for this reason 12 into 5, that means 60 minutes, and we know it very well that 60 minutes makes an hour. Okay, 60 minutes makes an hour. So dear students, now we will describe about the picture. At first, suppose it is 10:15. So it is 10:15. Okay, look at the picture, my dear students. Our hand is far ahead of 10 numbers and minute hand is in 3 numbers. That means from 12 to 1 5 minutes, 1 to 2 5 minutes and 2 to 3 5 minutes. That means 3 gaps and 3 gaps remains 15 minutes. So we can also say it is 10:15, but another way we can also say it is 10:15. Okay, but what does quarter mean? 10:15. Okay, my dear students, I am going to describe what is quarter. Quarter means, because you know very well that there are 60 minutes and if we divide the watch into 4, that means we can get 15 minutes for quarter and we get 30 minutes for half. Okay, for half. In this way, if we think there are first 15 minutes past, that means 15 minutes means quarter. Okay, and in this way we can also say it's 10:15. Are you clear? It's 10:15. Okay, have you any question? Okay, dear students, are you clear? Okay, if you are clear, I am going to describe another clock. Now, look at the clock. Dear my friends, look at the clock. Okay, what time is it? What time is it? Anybody? Oh, yeah, I am going to describe. It is 10:50, 10:30, sorry, it is 10:30, 10:30. Okay, my dear students, the hour hand is far ahead of 10 numbers and minute hand is from 12 to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 gaps and every gap remains 5 minutes. That means 30 minutes. 30 minutes. 30 minutes first of 10 numbers. And we know that 60 minutes make an hour. So we can also say it half. Half means 30 minutes per ahead. Okay. And for this reason we can say it is half past 10. It is half past 10. It is half past 10. 30 minutes past of 10. Okay. Are you clear, my dear students? Okay. My dear students, another clock, there is another clock. We are going to describe it. Please try to say what time is it. It is 10:45. Okay, you have given the right answer. 10:55. Okay, dear my students, it is 10:55. But another way I can also say it is quarter to 11. It is quarter to 11. But how? Look at the picture. This hour hand is far ahead of 10, and minute hand from 12 numbers had 12, 10 to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 gaps and every gaps remain 5 minutes. That means 9 into 5, 45 minutes. 5 minutes ahead from 12. Okay. So we can say it 10:45 minutes, or it is quarter to 11. Why we can it quarter to? Quarter to means it is 15 minutes less than 16 minutes. Okay, and for this reason we can say it is quarter to. It is quarter to. Okay, if minute hands is in 10 numbers, then we can say it is 10 to 11. 10 to 11. If minute hand existent in 11 number, then we can say 5 to 11. We can say 5 to 11. Okay, dear my learners, have you understood my discussion? I am trying to level best so that you can also tell the time. Okay. Dear my students, for your better understanding, I have brought a watch, so that please look at the watch, look at the clock. It's a clock also. And now tell me what time is it? Now tell me what time is it? Have you looked at the clock? Okay, dear students, please look at the clock and tell me what time is it? Okay, dear students, okay, you have given the right answer. It is 10 to 11. It is 10 to 11. Okay, you have understood very clearly. I am highly pleased. Okay, you have given the right answer. Okay. Dear friends, okay, dear friends, now tell what time is it? What time is it? Please look at the clock very carefully and try to say what time is it? Oh, fine, thank you. It is 11:15. It is 11:15. Okay. Now, dear students, now try to tell me what time is it. What time is it? Okay, have you understood? It is 12:30. Right, you have given the right answer also. But another way, what can we say? It is 11:30. It is 11:30. Okay, it is 11:30. Now, my dear students, now please look at the clock and tell me what is the time now. It is 11:35. It is 11:35. Okay, you have given the right answer also. So dear friends, I have no more time because I have to finish my class, but it is a request for you at your home. Please try to understand how you will know the time and say the time very clearly. And for this reason, you can also use a clock, and if you move the minute hours and second hours at your home, then times you can easily will able to say about time. And please help your parents, they will also help you. And I think that I have tried my level best so that you can tell how to tell the time. Okay, now my dear students, time is over. See you again, and till then, stay at home, stay safe and stay happy. Okay, goodbye, bye.